Hello everyone, my name is Tegar Pratama and my study number is 253126062. I'm from University Technocrat Indonesia and today I will explain on of the most important topic in computer organization interrupt-based input and output or interput. Well, let's go get started. Introduction to EO. Before we begin, let's remember what EO means. EO stands for input and output, and it refers to how a computer communication with external devices as keyboard, printers, hard drives, or monitor. Three are three main methods to handle EO operation. Program 1. Programming 2. Interpret base 3. Direction memory access. In program EO, the CPU keeps checking whether a device is ready to send or retrieve data. This wastes time because the CPU just waits and connect to other work. This is why input-based EO was created to make CPUs more efficient. What is interpret-based? What actually is interpret-based EO? In this method, the EO device sends an interpret signal to the CPU only when it's not undertone. For example, when the data is ready to be read or written. Instead of constantly checking device, the CPU can focus on other tasks when a interpret occurs. The CPU stop what it's doing for a moment, handle the input and the connects its previous work. It is like this image: you are study and study your phone ring. You pause your study and answer the call and the connection reading afterward. That actually how interpret based EO. Part 3. How it works. Let's go. So how interpret based EO works step by step. 1. The CPU start executing its main program. 2. When an EO device is ready, it sends an interpret signal to the CPU. The CPU temporarily stops its current process and save in current state. CPU jumps to a special program called the Interface Service Router ESR. 5. The ESR handle to EO requests for example reading data from the device. 6. When finishing, the CPU restores its previous state and connection its normal operation. The main computation involved in this process are introduction len ERC, intervector table EVT, interpret service router ESR. Part 4. Ad- Advanced and disadvantages. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of interpret-based EO. Advantages: the CPU does not waste time waiting for device. It also multitasking because the CPU can do other things. It provides faster response when devices are ready. This disadvantages: handling multiple interputs can be complex. Too many interputs may cause priority conflicts. It requires additional hardware to manage interput properly. 5. Compression table. The method CPU waiting. If any example device program EO yes low simple sensor interput EO no medium keyboard printer DMA no very high hard disk GPU. Live example. Let's take a sample. Example, when you press a key on your keyboard, the keyboard control send a interrupt to the CPU. The CPU pause in current activity, ready the keycode and display the character on the screen after it goes back to what was doing before that. Base IO in real life fast and effect. Collection to summers interpret based IO is a method where different signal the CPU when the net action. It improves CPU compress to program. IO is widely used in modern computer, smartphone, and embedded system. Thank you for watching. I hope this